Does your cat wake you up at 4 in the morning by purring loudly right in your ear? Or perhaps by gently tapping your eyelid with a soft, furry paw? You probably think they are doing this because they are desperately hungry, or maybe because they simply miss you after a long night. But you are completely wrong. This morning ritual is not an act of innocent affection. It is a highly strategic, calculated psychological operation. Most cat owners have no idea that they are being actively reprogrammed by their pets every single morning. Your cat is not just asking for breakfast. They are actively testing your boundaries and training you to be their perfect round-the-clock servant. This is not just an annoying habit. This is chemical and behavioral manipulation. Today, we are going to expose the hidden tactics behind your cat's morning terror and give you the exact steps to reclaim your sleep. And if you stay until the very end, I will reveal the single most surprising scientific truth about why cats choose the early dawn to manipulate us, and it completely redefines how they view your role in their life.
Let's look at their first tactical weapon, the acoustic trap. Watch your cat closely next time they wake you up. Notice the slight tilt of their head, the way their whiskers twitch forward, and how their green eyes lock onto yours with absolute focus. They begin to purr, but it sounds different, sharper. This is because it is not a normal purr. A famous study by the University of Sussex revealed that cats embed a high-frequency cry within their pleasant purring sound. This specific frequency matches the exact frequency of a human infant's cry. It is a biological hack. Most owners do not know this, but your brain is hardwired to respond to that specific sound frequency with urgent stress. Your cat is using your own evolution against you. They are simulating a baby in distress, forcing you to experience a spike in cortisol until you get out of bed to feed them. If this chilling realization makes you look at your cat's sweet morning sounds in a completely new light, take a moment to subscribe, because decoding their secret world is the only way to take back control of your home. But the acoustic trap is only the beginning of their strategy, because if sound fails, they immediately switch to physical coercion.
This brings us to their physical tactics. If you try to ignore the purr, the cat escalates. They might stand on your chest, using their front paws to knead your blanket rhythmically, pressing down with calculated weight. If that does not work, they move to knock objects off your nightstand. Watch them do it. They look at the glass of water, look back at you with wide pupils, and slowly push it over the edge. This is not accidental clumsiness. They want to be your alarm clock because they know exactly which actions trigger your immediate movement. Every single time you get up to stop them or put food in their bowl to make them quiet, you are confirming their strategy. In feline psychology, your reaction is the ultimate reward. You are teaching them that manipulation works, effectively finalizing your training as their full-time morning servant. You are satisfying their deep evolutionary desire for ritual and prediction. So, how do we break this cycle of manipulation and stop being their morning servant without causing them emotional stress?
To stop being a servant, you must become completely unpredictable. The gold standard of feline behavior modification is absolute extinction of the reward. When your cat purrs in your ear or knocks a pan off the table, you must remain completely still. Do not look at them, do not sigh, and do not pull the blanket over your head. Even a negative reaction, like yelling, is viewed by your cat as a successful manipulation because you woke up. Your breathing must stay deep and even. Keep your eyes closed. When they realize their biological hacks no longer trigger your movement, the behavior will eventually stop. To make this easier, shift their feeding schedule. Use an automatic feeder that dispenses food at 5 in the morning. This shifts their emotional association away from you. They will start staring at the plastic machine instead of your face, looking for their morning resource. And now for the final scientific secret I promised you. Cats are naturally crepuscular, meaning they are biologically wired to be most active at dawn and dusk. When they manipulate you in the morning, they are not acting out of malice or selfishness. In their minds, dawn is the ultimate time for communal hunting.
They are trying to wake you up because they see you as a large, capable companion who needs to join the pack for the morning hunt. They aren't trying to abuse you. They are trying to keep you included in their survival cycle. Once you change the source of the food, they can safely let you sleep, knowing the hunt is already taken care of.